Okay, now you need to add the baking soda. Ready?
Baking soda.
Okay, get some. Get some. Put it in here. Hey, Daddy help. Daddy help. Put it in there. Okay, do again. Good boy.
Good boy.
How many is this? 3. What one's this? What's after 3?
3.
Then what? Alright, good boy. Okay, so we got that, okay? No. Ready? You gotta add a little soap, ready?
Soap.
A little bit of soap. Here, put soap inside. Alright, no more. No more. Stop. Good boy. Hey, wait. You looking at it? Let's see. No. Now we gotta do the magic. Ready? No more. Where's the... We need a cup. Ready? Here, you hold this. Daddy gonna pour it, okay? Hold the cup. Hold this. Wait, no, not yet. You need to put your safety glasses on. Why don't you have these on? You need to be safe. Wait. We gotta do it in the sink, okay? Ready? Put this on, okay? Okay. Let's move the camera now. We gotta move the camera. Let's go over here. We gotta put it in the sink, okay? Alright. You looking? We gotta put this here. Now look, you gotta pour it in, okay? Put your glasses on first. Put your safety glasses on. Alright, now pour it in.
Yes.
Alright, maybe it's a little too big for you. Oh, volcano! No touch! Look at that! You making a volcano? What is that? Here, pour more in. Whoa! No touch! No! Ace, no! Wow! You make a volcano? Whoa! Look at this! Look at no touch! Look at it coming out. You see it? Exothermic. No, you can't touch it. You can't touch a caca. No touch a caca.
Volcano.
That a volcano? That exothermic?
Huh?
Kind of. We'll pretend it's elephant toothpaste. Tia make that. No touch. Yeah, hot. No touch. Hot. Volcano. Say, what is that, Ace?
Volcano.
And who made that?
I made that.
And what's your name?
Ace.
Yeah. Ace what? Leonetti say.
Yeah.